I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Tirda from JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Gokak, and from English Department. So I am here to give you the syllabus of BCom Part 1, which has been a compulsory subject. So we'll be enjoying prose, poetry and grammar this time. First of all, I just want to welcome you all to our college, which has got A grade in the NAC. You'll be benefited a lot by studying over here. As this is the first class, I just welcome you to the college and to my department. So in our department, I am the head of the department and we have Professor A.V. Patil sir and two more part-time teachers will be joining us very soon. So this has been the syllabus which has been prescribed to you by RCU University, and this time it has been a new pattern to you. English has been the world language, it has been a global language. If you learn it properly, you are going to be benefited, because at the end of the degree, there will be a placement over here. So if you are good at communication skills, if you are good at English grammar and speaking skill, you will be selected. We have been noticing that most of the BCom students have been very successful in getting the placement over here. So when you are learning, just try to concentrate on the basic things like grammar and the communication skills. If you are good at communication and presentation skills, you will be having a job at the end. Even for the competitive exams, English is going to work a lot. So even for KS, IS, whatever you study at the basic roots have been asked there. So if you are good at communication, presentation and selling and buying skills, you will be surely blessed with a bright future. So this has been the portion. So you have Unit 1 prose. In the prose, the lessons are like Bores, which has been written by E.V. Lucas. Then you have some other interesting lessons by Ritesh Agarwal, which has been written by Karan. My Lost Dollar by Stephen Leacock. Zero Budget Natural Farming. We'll be studying these under Unit 1 prose. Then your Unit 2. For Unit 1, 25 marks. Unit 2 contains the poetry. So in poetry, you are asked to study Unknown Citizen by W.H. Auden. The World is Too Much with Us by William Wordsworth, a great romantic period of 19th century England. Then Night of the Scorpion, one of the Indian writer in English, Nizam Ezekiel. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost, a very interesting poem. So in everybody's life there will be two roads. one path taken, the other a fresh route. So you will be enjoying these poems. So it carries 25 marks. Then unit 3. You have language activity like 2 tutorial hours. It carries 30 marks. You'll be studying the whole class like nouns, adjectives, verbs and the adverbs. Articles. All these are the basic things. I think in your previous classes you already learned. You'll be stressing on the articles a, an and the again. Then prepositions. Prepositions of place, time and position. They are going to study affixes. Affixes means the affixes, prefix and suffixes. Then you'll be studying use of be, have and do, a common thing, the basic thing that one should know. Then introduction, that is the self-introduction and introducing the chief guest, principal, president, family member, relatives and the friends. So this part carries 30 marks. So you'll be having 20 marks for the internal. So first test carries 4 marks, second test carries the 10 marks. Attendance 3, tutorials 3 marks each. So theory total 80 marks. Then 20 marks internal. So total 80 plus 20, 100 marks. So this is a question paper pattern. Objective type questions, free from prose and the poetry. They are going to ask you 10 questions, 1 marks each. Then second one, annotations out of 4 from prose and 1 from the poetry. That is 1 from prose and 1 from the poetry. You have to write 4. That is annotations out of 4, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. So here the third one is essay type questions out of 2 from prose, carries 10 marks. Then essay type questions again, 2 from poetry, 10 marks. Then short notes out of 4, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. So there has been distribution of the marks, carries 10 marks again. Then language activity of the each topic. So it carries together. You are having all these things equally divided. It carries 80 marks together. So this is the pattern that you are going to study. So students, I hope you understood. So once again, I welcome you to the English class. Okay, thank you.